Hey guys, Chad from Donnelly Ford of Mount Vernon here. Today I'm sitting next to something pretty special, actually the first time I've ever seen one. It is a Ford Bronco Everglades. What is a Bronco Everglades? Well, it's a special trim package you can get. Comes equipped for nice off-roading. You have a worn winch on the front bumper. You have these very unique Everglade Edition rims. You also have nice vinyl decals on the paint. Snorkel, so if you ever get stuck in water, engine can still breathe. Comes with these awesome running boards and steps, a luggage rack, and also comes with all your door bags and roof bags to keep all that stuff secure while you're using it off-road. Whether it be the Everglades or these woods right here behind us. So if this speaks to you, come in and speak to me and discover the Donnelly difference.